You can see it's September 8th, 2019. We're back at Hatfields now. I've already seen some action. The bulls has already started beeping, which is a big surprise. I didn't really think. Come in there on cue just about it. But didn't think it was supposed to start this early, but looks like it's already about fired up. We'll just have to wait and see how this evening goes. Seeing more action up here in the Haven a little bit, but that's okay. Like I always said, the view and the beauty of God's country is worth the walk up here to just by itself. Well, I'm going to turn and try to film this big bull for you before he gets going and zero in on him a little bit, then you can see how big he is. So we're going to turn it over to him now. Have a good day. You can see this is September 8th, 2019, and we're getting a lot of elk in the field. There's probably about 40 elk out there. Two good bulls I know, and they're sort of talking, so I don't know what's going to happen. I guess we'll just have to wait and see here. It might get real exciting here in a few minutes. You never know. It seems like it's awful early in the year, but if it's that time, it's that time, so we'll see what happens.